Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
Good morning to all. My name is Nagaseshu and I belong to Telangana state, Sattupalli, Khamman district, and I completed my graduation in 2016 in Sai Spurthi Institute of Technology, B. Gangara, and my stream is Electrical and Electronics Engineering. And I started my career in Evision Technosir in the year of 2022, 5th May. So it is a great platform to switch the career into IT. So very experienced faculties and practical knowledge, and it is an online course, so very helpful, and free time we learning the courses. So and to give the guidelines and also give the experiences and assignments, these are all given Evision team. So I am very happy, and also I getting a job in Wipro in last 1 week. So I am very grateful to thank to Evision Technosir team. Thank you.